The new Fleet Sequencer app from HYTORC is helping truck and fleet operators control maintenance costs. When used with HYTORC electric torque tools, the app improves service reliability and quality. At the start of service, the operator quickly retrieves vehicle wheel maintenance details. The graphical interface identifies each wheel to service, avoiding possible mistakes. Bolting specifications are automatically sent to the tool to ensure proper torque is applied. A graphical bolting pattern helps the operator follow the proper sequence. The app communicates wirelessly with the tool in real time to validate tightening and reports any error. When all lugs are tightened, results can be printed and exported. Not just for wheels, the app supports any multi-pass bolting sequence on the vehicle. The app guides the operator through multi-pass sequences, verifying torque at each step. Operators can add notes and comments to the job record. An administrator can build a database of vehicles with customized configurations. The HYTORC Fleet Sequencer app has set a new standard for managing fleet bolting maintenance. The HYTORC standard: never settle for less.